Hello, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Admin Chronicles by Careerya, the podcast dedicated to empowering Salesforce administrators. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we talk about scenario-based interview questions. Get ready for practical insights and solutions to navigate these challenging scenarios. Let's dive in. Podcast Episode 40, Navigating Salesforce Admin Interviews with Scenarios. Next topic. Question 1 sets the stage for real-world challenges. Scenario 1. Your organization is experiencing slow performance in Salesforce. How would you troubleshoot and address this issue? Answer 1. First, I'd analyze the system's performance using Salesforce's built-in tools like the Developer Console and Event Monitoring. I'd identify any long-running queries, inefficient code, or high resource utilization. Based on the findings, I might consider optimizing queries, improving code efficiency, or exploring Salesforce's performance-related features like platform caching. Real-time example. Imagine you're getting complaints from users about sluggish response times. By delving into the system's performance metrics, you can pinpoint the root cause and implement targeted solutions for a smoother Salesforce experience. Next topic. Question 2 takes us into data management challenges. Scenario 2. Your organization is merging with another, and you need to consolidate customer data from both instances into a single Salesforce org. How would you approach this data migration to ensure accuracy and minimal disruption? Answer 2. I would start by conducting a thorough data analysis, identifying duplicate records, and establishing a data cleansing strategy. Then, I'd use Salesforce's data import tools, such as Data Import Wizard or Data Loader, to migrate the data in phases. Throughout the process, I'd validate the data, run test migrations, and involve key stakeholders to ensure data accuracy and minimal disruption to ongoing operations. Real-time example. Picture a scenario where your company acquires another, and you need to seamlessly integrate their customer data into your Salesforce instance. By meticulously planning and executing the migration, you ensure a smooth transition without compromising data integrity. Next topic. Question 3 brings us to user access challenges. Scenario 3. A new department is introduced in your organization, and users from this department need access to specific Salesforce records without modifying existing sharing settings. How would you grant them access while maintaining security? Answer 3. I would leverage permission sets to grant additional permissions to users from the new department. By creating a permission set tailored to their needs and assigning it to the relevant users, I can extend their access without altering the existing sharing settings. This ensures a granular approach to granting permissions based on specific user requirements. Real-time example. Think of it as customizing access for a specialized team without disrupting the established security protocols. Permission sets provide the flexibility to cater to unique user needs. Next topic. Let's move on to question 4. Scenario 4. Your organization is implementing a new approval process for discount requests in Salesforce. How would you configure the approval process to ensure a streamlined workflow while maintaining compliance? Answer 4. I'd begin by defining the criteria for discount approval and configuring the approval steps in Salesforce. I'd leverage the approval process wizard to set up criteria-based approvals, assign approval steps to the appropriate stakeholders, and incorporate any necessary escalations. Additionally, I'd consider using approval-related email templates to notify stakeholders at each stage of the process. Real-time example. Imagine you're tasked with creating a structured approval process for discount requests. By configuring the approval process in Salesforce, you establish a standardized workflow that ensures discounts are approved in a compliant and efficient manner. Next topic. Question 5 explores customization challenges. Scenario 5. Your organization requires a custom application within Salesforce to track and manage equipment maintenance schedules. How would you approach the development and implementation of this custom application? Answer 5. I'd begin by conducting a thorough requirements analysis in collaboration with the maintenance team. Based on the requirements, I'd design the data model, create custom objects, and define relationships. Utilizing Salesforce's declarative features like Process Builder and Flow, I'd automate business processes, such as sending maintenance reminders. If necessary, I'd consider incorporating visual force pages or Lightning components for a tailored user interface. Real-time example. Consider a scenario where your organization needs a specialized application for managing equipment maintenance. By leveraging Salesforce's customization capabilities, you can create a tailored solution that aligns with the unique needs of the maintenance team. That wraps up the first 5 scenario-based questions in our Salesforce admin interview exploration. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll dive into more real-world scenarios and their solutions. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Admin Chronicles.